All right, so I want to talk about my trading this week as well as some indicators to help you be successful in this coming week on trading and short term or long term. So this week for me has been bad. It's just been bad, and I'm going to explain why it has been bad. So I just had this up here as a visual, so don't pay no attention to this. But I will make reference to why the Fed has made me lose money. I'm calling it the Fed has made me lose money. So I want to jump into my trades. So let's see here. I think I can scroll back up here. So here is my current balance as of right now. Now this number has increased. My investment 1450. This is the balance now, and I'll explain why. So as you can see over here, this number here is the number that I still have in my E-Trade account. This is Bitcoin, which is blue down here. So I'll touch base on that a little bit. So last time I was at $1,000.07 inside of my E-Trade account. That has decreased by my loss in this CHON stock. You can see here is dropped 13%. And basically I lost, what is it? Let's just jump over here, $32. So that's basically where the vast majority of my loss has come from, which is this stock here. Now I'll tell you why I bought it and then why I said the Fed had screwed me out of my money. So I'm going to focus on this one specifically. So let's jump here. Company overview. Let's jump into here. So the company is, as you can see, is a financial services company specializing in credit-related fixed income investments. So the reason that I bought it was because I was looking at the earnings calendar. So let's jump here. You can do Yahoo Finance, and you can type in earnings calendar right here. I was it's basically March, where people are reporting their fourth quarter earnings and gonna soon be presenting their first quarter earnings of this year. So I was looking at earnings, looking at the earnings calendar. I was looking at making an investment on Wednesday here, right? 138 different companies that are reporting their earnings, and I was looking through all these different companies. So when I came across the financial services company, which is on this list somewhere, I can't find it now. I thought it was right down here. Here it is. Okay, so right here. So I was looking at this stock. Not only was I looking at the earnings, right? I was looking at the news in the market. What do they do? And it was a lot of good promotional information as well as information on their company. So I did not see this, right? This is basically the estimated increase in their share price per when they actually present their earnings. So this is an expected value. So this is an expected value that says that they expect that share to increase or decrease by this value here. So as an example, this one right here, they expect the share price to increase, like 13 cents. Right up here, you can scroll all the way up here top. You can see expected per share estimate. That's what that is. So I expected, looking at the market, I'm not scrolling all the way back down to the stock. It's right here. Looking at the market, looking at them reporting their earnings, and I was expected to buy a stock on Wednesday because I could not buy stocks until about Wednesday due to having an unsettled account amount. I'm like, yes, okay, this is the stock I'm gonna buy. So then, again, this stock goes back here. Scroll down. Okay, wrong one. But this stock is basically in a financial services business, relating to like the real estate market. Then jumping over here, the Fed wants to. They basically made a statement that they're not going to increase interest rates. But I did some digging, watching like MetKevin.com. MetKevin is a YouTube channel that I read. He reads a lot and knows a lot about the market. Basically, the Fed basically said we're not going to raise rates, but it just made the whole market become unstable with the expectation that the rates will be raised, and it just messed up my total uh, winning calculation for that particular stock. So let me show you what I was looking at. So here was the plan. The plan was to buy it like here. Then I was like, oh, I'm gonna get it, and then I actually got it, and I think I got it somewhere in this range. I think I got it Wednesday, but like late Wednesday. And I'm like, I'm getting it late Wednesday. I don't know when the Fed is going to make their announcement or talk to us, the market, about what's going on. So I expect that if I got it late, even though this went up, this will continue to go up. And that didn't happen. As you can see, I got it after the increase. Look at this. You should have bought this at 17. Increased to 40. That would have been like a massive increase. So I got it somewhere here, and then it kind of flatlined, and I lost 13%. So, like I said, I was mad that I lost that. So let me jump back over here and note. So I was mad that I lost this here. Then this one here, which is a gaming company, it's like esports gaming. Let's see here. Here it is. Super League Gaming Incorporated. I almost got this. Almost got this one where I almost got it at $4 right here. Right now it's at $5.90, so that's a nice increase. If I would have bought it here and held it, but I meant to buy it and then get rid of it. Right before they did their earnings. And I don't know when they did their earnings. I don't know if it was Wednesday. I can jump in here and figure it out. But I almost got this stock, so I missed that one. So kind of enough of me talking about what I had missed. Let me jump one more point in here. I got some Bitcoin in here. I have this minus 1.72%. That's just based off of fees. That's just a fee transaction. So my real loss, if you take all of this and sum it together, that's 14.77%, primarily due to this one. So now I got to figure out how to make that up. Got to find some really good earnings and some earnings stocks that are looking to trend upward next week. Because if you look at the calendar, let me jump over here to the calendar. Where is the calendar? Here it is. Zoom up. Just because I missed it here and here and here doesn't mean that I'm done. Look at this. Next week, got a ton of companies that's going to be reporting their earnings. Next week, after that, look at that. Ton of companies still reporting their earnings throughout March. So if you want to capture one gold mine, jump into different companies that are reporting their earnings and reporting some good results with the expectation that their price is going to go up. More people are going to buy because they expect it to be good and reaping that benefit. So talked about my losses, talked about my plan for now going into next week, capitalize on some of those earnings that's going to be posted for next week. Then let's see here, what else? That's basically it. That's the plan. If you guys are interested in any other type of stocks, let me know. Shoot me a text or email, or just call me and let me know. Other than that, hit that like button, smash that like button, and on to the next video, guys. On to next week. If you're looking for some short-term gains, look at the earnings calendar. Look into some long-term gains. Maybe the earnings calendar may not be such of a good choice for you. All right, guys. On to the next video.